Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to update your Realme UI after root. There are some important steps in this process, so don't skip any part, otherwise you will end with damage, boot and recovery. Now if we check in the settings, as you can see we are on C.28. So now we have to move on computer and type Realme software update. After that click on the first link and from there choose your device model and then download the latest version which is available on the website. As you can see, I am downloading. Now let's go back to the mobile and boot into TWRP mode. After that type in your PIN and then click on install. If you try to install from TWRP, you can see you will get some error. As you can see this, there is zip treble compatibility error, so it is failed. Now what we have to do is, we have to download the Orange Fox recovery. I have given the link in the description, you can download it from there. Now let's again boot into the TWRP mode. Type in your PIN and then again click on install. From here select Orange Fox and then swipe to confirm flash. After the flashing is done, you can see there is a 5-second timer. It will automatically boot in Orange Fox recovery. Type your password here. Now swipe, click on tick. And now in Orange Fox recovery, go to the download folder and select the latest OZip we have to flash. Then swipe to flash. As you can see, our OZip is now flashing. Just wait for a few minutes. As you can see, our update is now installed. Let's reboot the system. Now if we go to the settings, you can see our device is updated to the latest version. But if we check our root, you can see the root is now gone. Then we have to root our device again. For that, again boot into recovery mode. We have flashed Orange Fox, that is why we will boot into Orange Fox. Then go to the download folder and select the Magisk zip. The link is in the description. Swipe to flash. No, don't go away. We have to do one more step here.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
Click on the back button and then click on the 3 dot. From here click on reboot and then click on bootloader. Now our device will boot into the bootloader mode. Now connect the USB cable and we have to again go to the computer. Now go to the platform tools. You can download that platform tools folder from the description. I am assuming that you have already unlocked the bootloader, so you must have your platform tools folder. Now go to the platform tools folder. Here copy this vbmeta.r.img file in this folder. The link is in the description. Now type cmd in address bar. Here type fastboot flash vbmeta.r.img and click enter. I will not do that because I have already done that. Now boot your phone and if you go to Magisk, you can see our Magisk Manager is now installed. And if we check the root status, you can see our root is successfully installed. And for your confirmation, you can see we are on C.29. So thank you guys.